Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how effectively you can promote your YouTube videos using Google Ads. In a previous video, I've shared how many subscribers you can get and how many and what amount of rupees you spend on Google Ads, which is around average 2 paise per view. That's 1000 view for just rupees 20. Stay tuned to learn method I used to achieve these fantastic results. Well, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to create and run ads in a way that ensure maximum views at the lowest cost possible. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you're new here, please click the bell icon as well. Now let's get started. Well, how to set up the ads campaign on Google? You need to first visit ads.google.com and create a new account. Look for cashback offers on Google Ads, wherein you will get rupees 2000 spending and an extra 2000. So if you spend 2000, you will get 2000 rupees more. Then you need to sign into your account, click on new ad campaign, choose video, then custom video campaign, and then click continue. Set the campaign name, bidding strategy, daily budget and networks. Choose your target audience, language and location. Adjust inventory type, excluded content and additional settings. So how do you create an ad group? Select your target audience based on demographics, interest and other factors. Set up your bidding strategy and budget. Choose the video you want to promote and select the video discovery ad format. Create a compelling headline and a description for your ad, avoiding the use of brand names. Now, how do you launch the campaign? Well, the last thing you need to do is to review your ad and click on create campaign. You can monitor the performance of your ad and you can adjust your bid accordingly to maximize views and minimize cost. So there you have it. This method will help you gain maximum exposure of your YouTube videos at a minimal cost. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, please leave comment and I'll do my best to help you. If you watched this video so far, please give this video a like, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.